Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you all how you can actually print out your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So to do this, the easiest way would be Control P on your keyboard. That's the shortcut. Or you can come over here to File, come over here to Print. Then once you come over to Print, you're going to have a few different options available to you. You can go ahead and decide how many copies you want to print. You can go ahead and choose which printer you want to print to. You can go ahead and specify if you only want to print certain pages, or maybe you want to print all the pages, or maybe there's a custom range you want to print to. You can go ahead and also decide, do you want to print full page slides? Do you also want to include the notes pages? Do you want to include the outline? You also could specify, do you want to print in color or not? So, I mean, all the options that you can imagine when it comes to printing are available on here. And if you don't see the option that you're looking for, odds are you may need to go ahead and select this printer properties, which will give you some more options like orientation, or you may need to come over here to edit header and footer, and you can go ahead and edit some additional options on there as well.